Hello YouTube, Joe here. Today we will look at soft jaws for vices. Now this is as simple as it gets right here. Just some hardwood that's sliding on some screws, if you will, so it can adjust itself as you need to with the vise. And then we just have some lips that doesn't allow it to fall through. So we have one way there. We will talk about that in just a bit. Here's what we used to have. You don't think that's ever been used before, do you? This was the original design. And you had to hold it in place while you held the other. Okay. Now let's talk the next game. Soft jaws and aluminum. Now this is how it used to be. And then we went to why even have those long ears on there, to let's make it easier yet and just do this. Why even bother? And there you go, because they're easy to make. It's a piece of 1 millimeter thick aluminum, 40 thousandths, just under a 16th. And it just sits there. If you make it a little over, bend a little over 90, it'll sit on the edge of the vise. And yeah, you could make them a little longer. This is just some scrap I had laying around. I made a bunch of them. I'm figuring, you know what? I bet everybody else would like to make these too, because it's easy. Let's have a look what it takes to making this up on a bench. So I've already got these pre-set, so they're only gonna just barely hold on, and I'll have this apart for you. And here's what we have inside. 2 little blocks of wood, and that's all there is to it. This one is just set up so you can screw into it with small holes. And this one is just set up with a countersink so the head can go deep into this part, so that it gives you a little more room to open up. These are just made out of maple, rock maple. You're going to want some hardwood for your vise, I'm sure. Pine parts will not last long, unless that's what you need. Then on top, I simply put, a scrap of whatever you have laying around, just to keep it from falling through the vise, if you will. I didn't do any deburring, didn't do anything to anything. This is just an add-on to the old ones, which are trashed. And I haven't even moved on yet to make them a little better, but I think I'll leave everything mostly sharp, just so I have a crisp edge at the top yet for grabbing as tight as I can, and maybe just do a little something on the ends to make them a little nicer. But there you have it, some soft jaws that just take a few minutes to make, and they will really help you out. Sometimes you might find that you need a special cut in here to hold something, and I have found that you can put these two things together. Drill a small, let's say you have a round object that you want to hold in here. Drill a slightly smaller hole through both of them while they're clamped. And when you pull it apart and put the object in there and clamp down, you're going to have a custom fit soft jaw for whatever it is you're working on. There's all kinds of ways you can use these guys. Have fun doing it and enjoy. Let me know what you think. Take care.